Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. So let us first start with present perfect tense. Simple sentence form will be I have past participle. Past participle means verb third form. You have plus past participle. She has plus past participle. He has plus past participle. It has plus past participle. We have plus past participle. You have plus past participle. They have plus past participle. Example is he has traveled a lot. Now question, when we make question, helping verb has have, they come before the subjects. So it is have I past participle, have you past participle, has he past participle, has she past participle, has it past participle, have you past participle, have we past participle, have they past participle. Example, have you written these books? Negative sentences. I have not past participle. You have not past participle. He has not past participle. She has not past participle. It has not past participle. We have not past participle. You have not past participle. They have not past participle. Example, they haven't been to school. Short answers. Yes, I have, or yes, he has. No, I haven't, or no, he hasn't. Example, have you painted the room? Yes, we have. Has he brushed his teeth? No, he hasn't. Use. We use the present perfect tense to talk about something that happened in the past and has a connection with the present. He has had a problem with his computer. It means he had a problem and it is not still fixed. So the action that happened in past but has a connection with present. When we talk about actions or situations in the past without a definite time, he has lost his key. Now time is not mentioned, that yesterday or in the morning, time is not mentioned, but he has lost his key. When we give information about a recent event, Spanish scientists have made important discoveries about cancer. When we talk about things we have done until now, I have painted 10 pictures so far. So that is, they are talking about things which were done till now. When we talk about experiences we have had in life, have you been to China? No, I haven't, but I would love to. With the following time expressions, we use present perfect tense, ever or never. Have you ever flown in a hot air balloon? I have never seen a ghost. He has just won a prize. Already and yet. I have already made the bed. The class hasn't started yet. For instance, he has done his homework for half an hour. They have worked here since February. Now let us see present perfect tense quickly, continuous tense quickly. So simple sentence form will be I have been verb plus ing. You have been verb plus ing. He has been verb plus ing. She has been verb plus ing. It has been verb plus ing. We have been verb plus ing. You have been verb plus ing. They have been verb plus ing. Example, he has been running for a long time. Questions. Have I been verb plus ing? Have you been verb plus ing? Has she been verb plus ing? Has he been plus verb plus ing? Has it been plus verb plus ing? Have we been verb plus ing? Have you been verb plus ing? Have they been verb plus ing? Example is, have they been playing? Negative sentences. I have not been verb plus ing. You have not been verb plus ing. He has not been verb plus ing. She has not been verb plus ing. It has not been verb plus ing. We have not been verb plus ing. You have not been verb plus ing. They have not been verb plus ing. Example, she has not been having a good time. She has not been having a good time. Short answers. Yes, I have, or yes, he has. No, I haven't. No, he hasn't. Now present perfect continuous tense, but short answers are given like this only. Hasn't, have only are used. Have you been cooking? Yes, we have. Has he been working? No, he hasn't. So been is not used in short answers, only has, have are used. Uses. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions or situations that started in the past and are still in progress. He has been learning English for 5 years. So the action started 5 years ago and still it is in progress. When we talk about actions or situations that have recently stopped but they still have present results. You are wet. Yes, it has been raining a lot. When we talk about repeated actions, I have been sending him a lot of messages all day. With how long questions, how long has she been listening to music? With the following time expressions, present perfect continuous tense is generally used: recently, lately, since, for, all day, all morning. He has been driving lately. I have been driving since 5 o'clock. What have you been doing recently? Now let us see the difference between the present perfect continuous and present perfect simple. They have been reading a book about witches and they have read a book about witches. Two sentences. They have been reading a book about witches. Here it is that action has not finished, that they are still reading the book, they have not finished the book. And second example, they have read a book about witches, that means they have completely read the book. So students, that's it about present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Hope you understood it. Thank you.